Terence Calatrava, former Undersecretary of Office of the Presidential Assistant of the Visayas of the Philippines. Kong Roman Romulo of Pasig City. Kong Jojo Ang of Usbag Ilonggo Party List. Congressman Patrick Michael Vargas of Quezon City. Kong Juan Carlos Arjo Aitayde of Quezon City. Nicanor Nicky Briones of AGA Party List. Congressman Marcelino Marcy Teodoro of Marikina. Congressman Florida Robes of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Congressman Leandro Jesus Madroño of Romblon. Congressman Benjamin Benji Agarao Jr. Congressman Florencio Gabriel Bemnoel of Anwar Party List. Kong Leo de Ode Tariela of Occidental Mindoro. Congressman Reynan Arrogancia of Quezon Province. Kong Marvin Rillo of Quezon City. Kong Teodoro Haresco of Aklan. Kong Antonieta Yudela of Zamboanga, Sibugay. Kong Dean Asisio of Caloocan. Kong Marivic Pilar of Quezon City. Regional Director Eduardo Virgilio of DPWH Region 5. Director Ramon Ariola III of Unified Management UPMO. District Engineer Henry Alcantara, DPWH Bulacan First. Undersecretary Robert Bernardo. District Engineer Aristotle Ramos of DPWH Metro First, Pasig City. District Engineer Manny Bulusan of DPWH North, Manila Deo. District Engineer Edgardo Sipingol of DPWH Bulacan, Sabdeo. District Engineer Michael Rosaria of DPWH Quezon Second Deo. Karamihan sa mga kawani ng DPWH na nabanggit sa itaas ay paulit-ulit na binabanggit ang delivery ng pera ay para sa kay Saldico na dapat at least 25%. Si